Sometimes you don't need all the noise and chaos. You just need to sit back, relax, and enjoy the simple pleasure of opening Pokemon cards. And today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll put on some chill music and see what treasures are hiding inside this Mega Venusaur EX Premium Collection. So I paid £45 for this box, which brings up the quiet question, was it worth it? So with a mix of 8 booster packs, we're on a calm hunt for some incredible cards. So let's put on some music and get into it. So this might not have been the best unboxing that we've done, and definitely like the pile of hits I was hoping for, but that's okay. We've got the Mega Venusaur EX promo and the Jumbo Lenticular version as well as an EX card pull. So that does bring our chill unboxing to a close. Thank you so much for relaxing and opening these packs with me. If you did enjoy the calm opening and want to see more like it, please feel free to subscribe for more. It was a genuine pleasure to share the experience. But now I do have to ask you, what was your favourite pull from this video? Let me know in the comments below. And what do you think? Based on the pulls, was my £45 well spent? I'm going to say absolutely not, but there is always next time. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, take it easy.